C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z, Y, and Z, Y, and Z. Assalamu alaikum. Hello students, how are you? I'm your course teacher, Muhammad Mansha, and I'll teach you English alphabet. They are 26 in number, starting from A to Z. Last time, we have learned first 19 letters from A to S. Now, we learn our next letter.
T. T gives T sound. T sound. For example, telephone, tree, train. Telephone, tree, train. Good. Now you can trace the letter T with the help of your index finger 10 times. After that, you can use your pencil to write the letter T 10 times. Good. Now move on to the next block on page number 35 of your book. The first block is carrying different letters. You can read loudly these letters one by one. In any letter you can write in the blank. Yes? Good. Now move on to the next block. It is carrying different letters and different things. You can match the letter with its picture, and these letters are beginning sound of these pictures. Yes, you can match one by one. After completing it, you can write the letter T with the help of dotted lines and dotted sheets. Good. Thank you.